Hey everyone, this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back. Y'all, I am super excited because y'all know I told y'all that I'm going to be bringing you along to show you what I'm going to be making for my twins. So y'all know that my twins are being promoted. They're going from 8th grade to 9th grade, so from middle school to high school, y'all, and I'm super excited. So I made some jeans. I don't know if y'all can see the jeans that I made. Let me see. Can y'all see those right there? So I made some jeans with my Cricut Maker 4 that I told you that my husband and my daughter purchased for me for it wasn't Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, I think. I can't even remember when I got it, y'all. But I'm going to be making the buttons also to go on graduation buttons, and I'm going to be using this button maker. Let's see, do you see this button maker? And the link will be in the description box below. Now with this button maker, all of this came with it right here. I'm going to be using this, and let me just show you, because I put it in this wooden box that I've been had, but it comes with all these buttons. You see those? So I'm going to be using my inkjet printer. I'm also going to be using, this is one of my favorite papers, the Epson paper. I have the glossy photo paper, so I'm going to be using that. You can use whatever paper works best for you. I actually like this, so that's why I'm going to use it. And I'm actually going to be printing out on my inkjet printer that I have, and I'm going to be using, I'm going to show you the design that I've designed. Hold on, let me show you. All right, y'all, so this is the design right here that I went ahead and did for my twins. So I just went ahead, the buttons that I'm going to be doing is 2.25. So in order to size it the correct way for it to fit the entire button, I went ahead and sized it for 2.75. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and place it on my, I'm going to be printing it out, but I'm going to be using Canva, and I'm just going to place it on my paper, because it's just going to be, I'm going to make, I think I'm going to make like 4 of them. It's going to be my husband, me, my oldest daughter, and her boyfriend. So I'm going to make 4 of them, and that's all I'm going to make, because that's, you know, that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take them, I'm just going to kind of place all of them here, so that when I go to cut them, and when I go to print them, they're all print on one photo paper. I do not have to use multiple photo papers. So I'm going to show you the little cutter that I have, because I did purchase one. That will be linked in the description box below. But the little cutter thing comes with it, with this set that I got from Amazon. I'm not going to be using that. I bought a whole nother thing that actually works very, very well for me. And I'm going to be doing that. So let me go ahead and show you how I'm going to be doing this. All right, y'all, so here is my button maker. Now let me show you the part that I was telling you about. This is where I'm going to be using to cut my the photo paper. Now this is so simple to me. I love it. You can use the one that comes with it, like I was saying before, but let me show you how this works right here. So what I do, I have some scissors. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take the scissors and let me see, because I could, yeah. So I'm just going to cut it just like this. And I'm just going to cut each one of these out. Can you see what I'm doing? Just cut them out just like this. All right, so here is the design, and here is the circle. So I'm just going to take it and place it directly into this just like this. Just drop it in here, but you do have to hold it, because if not, it will go all the way through. All right, so I'm just gonna try to line it up as best as possible. Let me see. Cut just a little bit more off here, because you want it in the middle as much as possible. Okay, so I'm just gonna hold it just like that. Do you see it's in the middle? Go up some. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take my handle and I'm just going to cut it. And as you see, it will fall out. I'm going to push it up some. Okay, so did y'all see that? Now, this is how it looks. It still have this circle around it, but I think that's gonna work. Or you can just still use your scissors and go around it. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other one the same way. Just take it. Just make sure you place it in the middle, just like this. And I'm just gonna press it, just like that. I feel like I got stuck, y'all. Oh, there you go. All right, so I'm gonna do all of them like that. And on here I have proud mom, proud dad, proud sister. All right. Okay. Just take it and place it in the middle, just like this. I'm just gonna press it, just like that. And I'm gonna do this one the same way. Now this little circle thing here, it just makes it into a perfect circle, especially if it's hard for you to cut using scissors, okay? So I'm just gonna take it, just cut it just like that. All right, so I'm gonna put this to the side. Now I'm done with this. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, as you see, I've all, let me see, can you see what I'm doing? Yeah. So I've already put this little circle thing in here, but let me explain it more. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this circle, metal circle thing here. I'm just gonna place it face down just like this. All right, so I'm just gonna put this down directly into this, and it should line up with this little spot. I don't know if you can see that. This little spot right here, this little thing right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it in here. Then I'm gonna take the one that I cut, the picture here for the graduation button. I'm just gonna place it directly on top. Do you see that? Now this should line up with the picture, facing up. All right. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I have this little thin piece of plastic. Do you see this here that comes in your graduation pin button thing? And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take it and just lay it face down just like this. Just drop it down. All right, so now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take it and just turn it all the way around, just like this. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this handle and I'm just going to press this down until you hear the click. All right, so once you do that, we'll pull it up. Now we'll bring it back around. And as you see, there's nothing here. It's gonna be up in the top part. Let's see if you can see. Do you see it? It's right up there. Okay, so now what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be using the other side, this part right here. And this part right here is where you put the little pin, this little thing here that goes on your clothing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this, and you see this same little, let's see this same little thing right here that I showed you before. Just gonna take this, place it face down like this, because you want this part to be down, because this is gonna go on your clothing, and you want this part, the flat part, to be up. So I'm gonna take it and place it down in there just like that, but I want it to be facing this little part here. Okay, so I'm gonna take it just like that. All right. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I've placed it just like this. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna spin it. So I'm gonna spin it over into this section right here. Remember, the other part is up in this area here. Okay, the other part is up in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and press it down, just like that. Now, let's see what we have. Oh yeah, this is all right, y'all. So these pins came out super cute. I made a proud mom, proud dad, and proud big sister. And I also made one for my oldest daughter's boyfriend. Y'all, these are so cute. So here we are at the graduation. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe. All right, peace.